Tree,
Ganda.
guys.
Good morning. This is the third day and andito kami sa Maraya. Maraya, yung mirror. Maraya, ano tawag dito? Maraya lang, di ba? Maraya, mirror. Yung mirror sa desert, yan. Yun. Yun. And, kung titignan mo yung surroundings, gosh, ang ganda. Mountains na sandstones. Pero, ang main attraction, syempre, yung Maraya. Tingnan mo siya. May restaurant.
Wait, nag-blur ang cinematic.
Ano muna yung landmark.
Ay, malamig. Siguro mga anong temperature? Hindi naman negative.
No, yun. Feels like
Feels like ano.
Ay, lakad ka dito. Lakad ka lang. Wag ka, lumakad ka lang. Ako na bahala.
Ganun naman din.
Yan. Siya yung...
Ay,
Tignan natin ang ating reflection. Tapos tignan mo naman ang view.
dito ang view. Jackie. Jackie, dito ang
Ito. You know,
pasok pala. Ayan.
malapit.
Ito pala.
Ito yung mirror.
Ayan. Dito mo siya ma-appreciate.
Ay, tignan natin ang ating sarili sa mirror. Yan. Ayan tayo, ang aga-aga. Ay, ang giniw. Ang lamig. Very cold. How are you? Tadang. Ewan ko kung nakikita nyo, pero wow. Ang ganda, di ba? Doon daw kami. Okay, punta tayo doon. Grabe, ang ganda. Ganda ng view. Tingnan natin si Sir. Doon down tayo. Diba? Ganda, oh. Ito yung recommended nila, sir. Same perspective. Same perspective, magkaiba. Kaya dito. Diba? Ay, lamig. Lamig. Tayo. Yan. Nandito tayo sa loob ng Maraya for the Maraya tours. Yan. Pasok tayo sa loob. Gagather tayo dun. Pero wait lang natin kasi umorder pa ng kape yung iba. Tapos iikot yata tayo. Wait natin.
Hindi naman dito.
Take 2. Welcome to Maraya Clara.
Ang may kambal sa uma.
Yun yung mga refugees.
Take a photo.
Nagsushoot tayo ng commercial.
Okay, so first, welcome to Maraya. It's a pleasure to have you today. The tour will take around 30 to 40 minutes. We will start it here, finish it in the rooftop. Feel free to take photos while we're walking. And if you have any questions, please ask. My name is Anhar and it's a pleasure to have you today. Walaikum salam. Okay, so Maraya built in 2019. The whole thing started as a challenge between the Royal Commercial of Al Ula and the company who designed the building, which is an Italian one. The request was build us a modern building without touch or destroy the nature around it. They finished the build within 72 days only.
Mm.
And it's meant to be a temporary structure back then. After that, they decide to keep it. Then for a year, we were only doing conferences and meetings. Then we start doing concerts, weddings, birthdays, anniversaries, all types of occasions. Yesterday we have a concert, or we had a concert. I guess next Friday also we will have it. Also, it has a Guinness World Record as the largest mirrored building in the world.
Largest?
Yes.
Mirrored building.
So, how many mirrors do you think the building covered with? How many pieces? 5,000. More.
10,000.
Wow, almost 10. Almost 10. It's 9,740.
And that was, what, I mean, 72 days?
72 days. They were working.
So 9,742 mirrors in 72 days. So take that, Mrs. Imelda Marcos for PICC. Ilang months lang yun.
24 hours for 72 days.
Also, the building consists of 3 floors. Here we have 3 main areas. Waiting area for people who came to the concert, and based on the vibes inside, we match it outside. The cube, which is a gallery area or exhibitions area, and
Ito mga kadyan.
so now let's watch a video. Then we'll
Candles.
So pretty here, no? Then, bagay tayo dun sa may marami.
I could only imagine the acoustics when we start singing. Oh my gosh.
This is for us.
Where history whispers through windswept sands, a marvel of modern architecture rises. Maraya, an architectural masterpiece that seamlessly blends with its environment, reflecting the stunning beauty of Alaula's rugged terrain. Innovatively designed by the Italian firm Giuforma, Maraya now stands as the largest mirrored building in the world. The key to Maraya's breathtaking design lies in its cladding created by Guardian Glass, where each panel ensures a flawless reflection of Alaula's natural wonders and is designed to withstand the harsh desert conditions. Equipped with cutting-edge acoustics and lighting systems, Maraya was designed to host everything from intimate performances to grand cultural events, offering a unique amidst the historic backdrop of Alaula. But Maraya is more than just a building. It's a symbol of Saudi Arabia's vision for the future, a beacon of cultural exchange and innovation. Every facet of its construction is a blend of tradition and technology, reflecting the kingdom's commitment to preserving its heritage while embracing modernity. Maraya is a mirror to the past, a window to the future, and a stage where the world's stories will unfold.
Okay, so
good. So good.
Nice introduction.
It is really good. So good.
Oh, the light was
2019.
So here we have Al-Ula Vision Stone, signed by the highest crown prince, Mohammed bin Salman. This one is the Old Arabic. Nowadays we have dots. Then the Nabateans, which is the Old Arabic civilization who inhabited Al-Ula and used Hijra as a creed. The last one is English. So do you want to take photos here or shall we head to the auditorium?
Sure what? Take photo or head to the auditorium?
Take photo ako sa'yo.
Ito tayo, wait lang.